Stay there, baby. Whilst I film, I'm gonna lay on the bed. Whilst I film. Hello, Robin. He's purring. Look at Robin. Look at him. He's gonna take over this whole video. Anyway, hey, welcome back to my channel, guys. So on today's video, I'm doing an Amazon finds haul basically. So I bought a lot of different things from Amazon and I wanted to show you guys what I bought from Amazon and like the awesome stuff, like just unboxing and just showing you my Amazon finds really, because I think Amazon is an amazing website. It's like a really good place for shopping and I just love shopping. So I wanted to show you all the cool things that I got from Amazon recently. Yeah, so anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to give me a like, subscribe, and yeah, I will get into the video and show you the finds that I got from Amazon. It's always nice to have a little animal in the house. So let's get into the video, guys. So basically, yeah, I want to show you all the things I got from Amazon recently. So I've been doing some food shopping on Amazon and I bought like a load of this Oatly milk, and it's a vegan brand, so it's like made out of oats and it's really good. I really appreciate it. It's basically a barista edition. It's like a really nice milk. It helps with my coffees as well. I just put it in the coffee machine and like it makes some really foamy, really nice milk. So yeah, I really recommend this milk. It's like a really cool kind of like vegan milk and it's really tasty. It's really sweet as well. Like it's got a good flavour. I really appreciate it and helps right now because I'm quite thirsty, but yeah, I really like this milk. It's really good. I recommend it. I'll just talk about the food that I've been buying first. Basically, I bought this big box. This big box of basically, I've been obsessed recently. There is this thing called samyang and it's ramen and it's a vegan ramen and it's really nice. It's like potato ramen and I would say it's like the tastiest ramen that I've ever had. I really appreciate this ramen. It's really good. And yeah, I just think like I just had some just now for dinner and it was super nice. So yeah, I got loads of this. Very useful to have food in the house. So yeah, it's really good to buy some food from Amazon. I really like this. I bought myself like loads, and I mean like loads. I was like 12 per pack and like I got 3. So I got like so many different pot noodles, but this is sweet and sour pot noodle. It's a vegan pot noodle and it's super nice. It's got a little dragon and yeah, it's sweet and sour and it's super nice. I highly recommend this pot noodle. It's like really cool. So it's been really useful buying bread from Amazon because they have this thing that lasts longer. It's like bread that lasts longer. And I just bought this and it goes off in November, like the end of November. And yeah, so it's October now. So yeah, it lasts like a really long time and it's like really useful to have this. I got about 3 packs of this and this was really good, a good find. And it's called Baker Street. Yeah, it's this. It's super nice. And yeah, it tastes like kind of like glazed honey as well. It's really sweet. It's got a nice flavour. I've also got some Fusilli Amazon pasta, which is vegan it says. And yeah, just some fusilli. And yeah, that would be good for cooking with pasta, just making pasta really. And I got like 3 packs of this. Loads. And I got a few of these as well. This is Nella Potana Copala Gusto Italianis. Italiano. Yeah, it's Italian and it's just like some pomodoro and plus vegetables, and yeah, it's just like the pasta sauce really. And yeah, it's super nice. I had this last night and it was delicious. Beauty stuff that I've been buying. I bought this Harajuku Lovers Love perfume and it's a super cute little doll. And yeah, it's just like this really nice perfume. It smells like, it kind of smells like purpley. It has like a purple kind of scent, and it's also purple as well, so like it matches the kind of like colour of the, and the little girl doll as well. And yeah, it smells kind of like Halloween-y. It's like a good perfume for Halloween. And I think it's really adorable, the little doll, and I really love the Harajuku collection. When I was younger, I used to have this globe, and it had all the Harajuku little dolls on them. And yeah, I just really liked the perfume. I really liked the different perfumes by Harajuku. They're really nice, and they have like a really special scent. I highly recommend buying a Harajuku doll because they are so cute. I really appreciated having the little globe with all the little dolls. It was super adorable. Yeah. And so I've recently been using this Paul Mitchell serum, and it's like silky smooth serum, and it helps keep my hair like super silky and smooth and like straight and like really like no flyaways. It just makes it really gorgeous. So yeah, I really recommend this serum. It's like really nice. I've also been appreciating these 16mm AO4 Only All lashes, and they are like faux mink, and they are absolutely gorgeous. They look stunning on. They're only like £6-7 or something. So like yeah, it's a good cheap find, and it's really good eyelashes if you're looking for an inexpensive eyelash that has loads and is also absolutely gorgeous. So something that I feel like I can't live without really, and it's something that like I really love buying all the time, is this Grace and Stella Everything is Better in Pink eye mask. And yeah, it's basically just, it's just like this eye mask. And yeah, you put it on your eyes, like underneath your eyes, and you leave it on for 20 minutes. And I just feel like it's a really good eye mask, and it helps to keep your eyes like looking really awake and bright, and it just really helps with any crinkles. It just looks really good afterwards, and after you've gone ready, it's like a really good eye mask. So yeah, I highly recommend this eye mask. It's like absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, Grace and Stella is a really good brand, and they also have gold sheet eye face masks, and I really like their face masks too. They feel really good on your face, and they're really good after you get a shower and like make yourself clean and get ready. It helps to keep your face really bright and really gorgeous. So yeah, I really appreciate that. Something that I have been absolutely loving recently, and I just bought it. I've never bought this before, but I've just bought it recently because I wanted to treat myself. So yeah, it's this Color Wow Extra Mystical Spray, and it's a shine spray, and it makes your hair nice and shiny. It's good heat protecting as well. And yeah, you just spray it onto dry hair, and like it protects your hair from UV rays, and it's just, yeah, it's a really good shine spray, and it really keeps your hair nice and soft. Shake it. Yeah, I really like that spray. It's super nice. Something else that I've been loving is the e.l.f. Lash and Roll mascara. It's a really good mascara, and I really love the way that it works. It's just like a really super good mascara. I've bought myself a load of different pseudocreams, though, like two little pseudocreams, because pseudocream is really good for your face. It's really good for like keeping your skin healthy, and it helps to keep your skin bright. Like I also don't wear foundation, so like I tend to use pseudocream as foundation instead, because it's kind of like a different like texture, and it also keeps my face looking more young and more like vibrant, rather than using foundation, which foundation makes my skin look older and like less beautiful really. So I tend to use pseudocream instead of foundation. It's really good to find, so like highly recommend this. I've also been using Dermalogica Intense Moisture Balance, and I love this moisturizer. It's like a small one, but like it's a really good moisturizer. And I also have been running out of my Iconic Prep Set and Glow London, so I bought some more of this. Basically, you spray this on your face before you do your makeup and moisturizer, and it also gives your face like a nice shiny glow, and it keeps my face looking really gorgeous. So I highly recommend this product. It's really good. I love it. And I also bought some more of my Marina eyeliner pencil. It's an absolutely gorgeous eye pencil. Basically, I do the wing on the inner corner of my eye, and like I use this eye pencil to like do that wing, because I can't use liquid eyeliner to do the wing on my inner corner, because it like kind of messes it up, and like it just doesn't work, and it just doesn't work really. So like I use this Marina eye pencil, and yeah, it's like a really good eye pencil. And I've also been using this e.l.f. liquid eyeliner. I've been using e.l.f. liquid eyeliner. I've been using a lot of e.l.f. products recently. They're really good. I also bought myself as a treat this mascara transparent, yeah, basically it's just like this mascara eyebrow gel, and like, yeah, it just keeps your eyebrows like in shape and like standing up and like doing what you want really, so like keeps them in shape. Yeah, it's really cool. I really like it. It's just like a clear mascara basically, and they have it for your lashes and your brows. And I also bought this waterproof instant brow pencil by e.l.f. and it's a really good eyebrow pencil. I got it in the shade blonde because I have blonde hair, so yeah, this is a really good find. I really love this eyebrow pencil. And I've been loving having this lip balm. It's this Crazy Rumors plant-based shea butter lip balm, black cherry, and I love it. It makes my skin on my lips look gorgeous, and it keeps my skin on my lips looking plump, and yeah, it's just really nice, to be honest. And I'm really loving this extra pop-in lime crime wet cherry gloss. They haven't got any more at the moment, I did see, but like they do sell it sometimes, so like it's a really good find, this lip gloss. It's like the best lip gloss I have ever used. I really appreciate it. And the last find that I want to show you, the last thing that I want to show you, that I really want to talk about this because it's super nice. Basically, I've been obsessing over Prada recently, and I've been buying some stuff like online, like some perfumes, and like this perfume is called Sugar Pop, and it's by Prada, and it's this one here, and it's absolutely gorgeous. The smell is like, I can't even tell you. I got into a taxi recently and the guy in the taxi was like, wow, you smell gorgeous, and I was like, wow, thank you, yeah, because like this perfume is so like vibrant, it's so distinctive, it's so beautiful, it has like a really unique smell. It kind of reminds me of Suki Dayo, which it means I love you in Japanese. It kind of reminds me of those words, Suki Dayo. It's got like that kind of vibe to it. It makes me feel like Suki Dayo. Yeah, it's just a really cool perfume, and it just reminds me of Japan really. It just reminds me of that phrase. Like, I love you really. It's just a really beautiful perfume. I can't even believe how beautiful it is. It's got a really special smell, and it just smells amazing. I love smelling it. Only if I could show you. Anyway, yeah, so that concludes the video. Thank you for watching my video. If you want to see more of me, like, subscribe, and yeah, links in the description for Cameo and my socials if you want a personalized video or to chat to me personally on Cameo. I do videos, so yeah, just request a video from me and I will do one for you. And yeah, anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was useful, insightful, and you got to see all the beautiful bits I got from Amazon, so yeah, that was really nice. Hope you guys liked that, and yeah, I love you guys so much. Have a beautiful day. Suki dayo, daisuki. That means I love you in Japanese, duh. Anyway, bye!